he listens to the songs all the time. He's really happy and he's trying to I'm kind of happy.
That's what you want to do.